Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the length of a string. In order to measure the length of a string, we need to use the len function, len and parentheses, to find the number of characters in one string. To do that, I can have one string called message, and I'm assigning hello to this message. Okay, but how many characters this string includes? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But if we have a string that is very lengthy, how to measure that? It's hard to count it by ourselves. You see, in order to have that, we can use the len function. The len function works like this. We have the len and parentheses. In the parentheses, we type down the name of the string that we want the len function to measure its characters. Basically, I'm using the len keyword. I'm putting the name of my string inside the parentheses. This is going to calculate the number of characters in the message string, which is 5. We know it because we calculated it. And now I'm going to print the output. In order to print the output, I just put this part in a print function. And in a print function, inside the parentheses, I'm having len, and then the name of my string, which is message. So when I run, I see 5. If I have another string, so I have my name, and the string is, for example, Reza Shahin. So now I'm going to print len my name. Okay, so when I run this code, we see that there are 11 characters in this string. So if I calculate, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so it can calculate the number of characters, and yes, it calculates the space as well. Whatever that is between the quotes, it is going to calculate it, even the space here. Okay, so we are going to have 11 characters, but if we have a string that is lengthy, it's hard for us to calculate it by ourselves. So we'll let the len function do the job for us. Thank you for watching.